First, go to the VitalQuest 360 login page, then click on the Sign Up button. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and type your password twice. Once you are done, click on the Create Account button. This will create your account and redirect you to the VitalQuest 360 dashboard. For the first time, the app will ask for some basic information to organize your health data statistics. Enter the information and click Next. Once you are done, it will redirect you to your newly created profile. In the dashboard, you will see several options. If you are a premium subscription holder patient, go to Weight Loss Journey to activate your premium membership. Click on Get Started, then click in the coupon code option. Enter the coupon code that will be given to you by our team and click Activate. To log your data, go to the Log Data option. With this option, you can add breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks under Nutrition. You can add foods from the suggestion, and you can also search food if you cannot find it on the list. You can also add food that are not in the list by using Custom Entry option. From the Exercise tab, you can add exercises. Here, you can also get exercise suggestions. Also, you can search them. Still, if you do not find your exercise, you can add custom exercise. From the Vitals tab, you can add your vitals such as weight, blood pressure, systolic and diastolic, heart rate. You can also keep a note of the entry. From Medicine tab, you can add your daily medications. After adding them, you will find them in your dashboard as your current medications. From the Lifestyle tab, you can enter your lifestyle log such as sleep quality, stress level, alcohol consumption, drug use, social connection. In this menu, you can also keep notes. From Tests tab, you can enter your lab reports so that you can find them whenever you need. From Weight Loss Journey option, you can see your progress at a glance. All the stats will be organized in a simple manner so that you can keep track of your progress. From the Tools option, you can calculate your BMI and calories. One of the most important features is the ticket system. With this option, you can directly communicate with Dr. Syed. It is much faster communication than the email communication. To create a ticket, go to Tickets tab. Click on Create Ticket. Select your doctor, type the subject and the message. When you are done, submit the ticket.